welcome to our video. We are going to make some popsicles today, and we have some watermelon juice, apple juice and banana juice. It's some chia seeds which is soaked in water, and if you want for taste you can put some chocolate syrup. We have here, and we have ice cream tray, popsicle tray for making popsicles and caps for it. Now let's start. Let's take this popsicle tray and put 2 spoons of this. It got a little messy.
It's okay.
It's okay, but now let's put this. It's the chocolate syrup, just a little. And let's mix it. Now let's put some chia seeds. A little will do in this. Here I'm putting half a spoon. And now let's put this other one.
You can put some more.
It's okay. And let's put this one for the rest. It might say that we made a little more for this. This will do. Now let's put this carefully. And now let's put this cap here.
Surya?
Huh? Now let's do it the same for the next one. I will fill up into this one only. Now let's fill all 4 together. Let's put this one. How's the picture?
It's there. You can fill it now.
Okay.
Enough here? Okay, enough.
No. Chia seeds are very tasty.
What's that? Chia seed.
Chia seeds dipped in water. Let's put some chia seeds on there.
One chocolate syrup? You want it?
Choo. And choo. Let's fill this jar.
Yeah. Shall I give this one?
No, I will put chia seeds.
It's okay.
Thick. Which jar should I put?
Can put it here.
And
Here maybe.
that's all of the chia seeds.
Yeah.
And then
One watermelon?
yeah.
Slow. Enough. Done?
Now let's put it.
We can look at it later. Okay?
I will put it to the middle. That's how they make ice creams. Guys, now the popsicles are ready to put in the freezer. You can see the lovely colors. Let's put it in. Guys, now the popsicles are ready. Let's take it out from the refrigerator. Let's taste it now. Yummy. Yum. Want some? You can try it in your own. Want some, Sindhu?
Yes. How's it?
Nice.
Thank you.
I gave you your favorite color, pink. Bye, friends. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button. Bye.